Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Elite Furniture Moving. It's a local moving company here in San Diego. Moving can be stressful, and while your mover is here to help, there are a few things that movers might not tell you. In this video, we're revealing 5 things your mover won't tell you, and trust me, you want to know them before the big day. Number 1. They charge for extra heavy or bulky items. Movers might not mention this up front, but if you have oversized furniture like heavy couch or piano, be prepared to pay more. Most movers have standard rates, but when it comes to items that require extra care or manpower, that can cost extra. So let's say if you're concerned about the large item, be sure to ask an additional fees ahead of time, so there's no surprises when the bill arrives. Let's say if you have any piano, gun safe, pool tables, anything that goes over the balcony, all those items, usually our representative in our company would ask you on a phone call to make sure that they're aware of those items, and then you don't get any surprise on the day of the move. Alright, so let's go with number 2. Movers might not have insurance for your stuff. Did you know that movers may only offer limited liability insurance for your stuff? Which means if your TV gets cracked, then you're on your own. It's always smart to ask about additional insurance options before the move. While most movers take great care, accidents do happen, so check if they have a full coverage insurance or consider purchasing third-party insurance for the peace of mind. In our company, we do offer the third-party insurance, which is movinginsurance.com, and you can purchase it at any time if you call them 2 days before the moving date and tell them that you work with Elite Furniture Moving. That's our company name, and they'll be able to take care of all your insurance needs. So let's go. Number 3, they expect you to pack properly. The movers aren't going to pack your items for you unless you requested this packing over the phone. So if you don't pack things right, it can slow down the move, or worse, your stuff can get damaged. Fragile items should be packed in a packing paper and packed in boxes, and boxes shouldn't be too heavy. Before the moving date, make sure your items are packed in a way that keeps them safe and easy to carry. Trust me, the better you pack, the faster the move. So in our company, we ask the people if they need any packing services the day before the moving date, and if they need any packing services, we bring some boxes on a truck so the movers can use those boxes to pack smaller items. Alright, so let's go to number 4. They might not move certain items. While your movers are happy to handle bulk of your belongings, some things, like hazardous materials, plants, or liquids, are strictly off limits. So make sure to check a mover's list of prohibited items. If you have plants or chemicals you need to move, make alternative arrangements to transport them. That means basically there's one thing we do with chemicals and all these cleaning supplies that you can have on your job. We put it in a separate box and we offer the client to place it in their car so they can move it safely, because we do not usually take any chemicals or liquids in the car. So make sure you check with your mover if you need to help with moving that. That's gonna be on you. So number 5, they're usually not responsible for the delays. Sometimes your move might not go exactly as planned, whether due to bad weather, traffic, or unforeseen complications. Movers aren't always liable for the delays. It's important to plan for some flexibility in your schedule. Make sure to allow plenty of time on your move to check in with your moving company for updates, so you're not left waiting longer than expected. In our company, we recommend not to schedule anything on the day of the move, any meetings, any work, because sometimes there's more items that you think you have, and sometimes the move can take a little longer than expected, and you don't want to stress out, and you want to go as smooth as possible. Okay, so there you have it, 5 things your mover won't tell you. Keep these tips in mind to make sure your move go as smooth as possible. Have you had any surprises? Let me know in the comments below if you had any surprises on the moving day, any crazy stories. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more moving tips and tricks. Good luck for your move, and thanks for watching.